Hello students, let us discuss about your math problems regarding your board questions of the previous year from different chapters. Okay, the first one is from trigonometry. You know all the trigonometries: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. So let's revise and know the thetas once again. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, and sin cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. The reverse is also cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay. Similarly, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Again, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, because tan theta into cot theta 1, cosec theta into sin theta 1. Again, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is also 1 by cos theta. If this will be here, this will be here, because cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Again, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, you have to remember this one also. Again, cot theta equal to reverse of this, cos theta by sin theta. Okay, sin by cos is tan and cos by sin is cot. There are more numbers of formulas you have to remember. These are the fundamental formula. So basing on this formula, you have to calculate different things. Let's applying on these values or these formulas. Let's solve one problem. And the problem is like this. Given that sin theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Sin theta equal to cos theta. It is the given value. So what can I write? Sin theta by cos theta equal to 1. If I bring cos theta here, it will be divided here and it becomes 1, because if I take this cos theta this side, cos theta into 1 cos theta, if I will bring cos theta like this, then it will be 0. Okay? Two cases will be possible there. If cos theta will come and it will be in the numerator, then cos theta, it will be with negative sign minus sign cos theta, and the right hand side will be 0. If it comes with division, or if it totally comes with denominator in the left hand side, it will be 1. So see the difference, how it can be brought towards left hand side and what will be in the right hand side. If it comes with this side and it becomes denominator, it will be 1. If it comes with sign change having minus sign, it will be 0. Because see, if this comes towards this side, it will be plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta. If this will be divided here, it will multiply by 1, sin theta equal to cos theta. Okay, so as per our requirement, we will use this one or this one. As per need, we will discuss this one. So, by doing this one, I will get what? Tan theta equal to 1. Okay, because sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. If theta is needed here, then what will be theta? Tan, what value of tan is 1? Tan 45. So theta is 45 in this case. Okay, in this way theta can be calculated. Okay, so tan theta equal to 1. Now you have to find out tan square theta plus cos square theta minus 2. So you have to find out the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. This is the question. If sin theta equal to cos theta, then find out tan square theta plus cos square theta minus 2. So we need tan square theta, that's why I have done the value of, calculated the value of tan theta here. So in what way I will get tan theta? If sin theta by cos theta, it will be tan theta. So I will bring this one wholly by divided by this one to get tan theta. Okay. In another way, I will also get tan theta. See, sin theta equal to cos theta. Okay. So sin theta, what is the need to get sin theta from, to get tan theta from sin theta? We have to divide cos theta to sin theta. So let's divide both sides by cos theta. I need division in denominator cos theta to get tan theta. So what I can do, if I will divide LHS by cos theta, I have to divide right hand side also with cos theta to maintain the value same. So this one now tan theta and cos theta by cos theta is 1. Similar thing is there in this way. So you can calculate either in this way or in this way also. Okay. So let's forget one way and proceed further. So this one is how much? Tan theta whole square. Okay. This one is how much? 1 by tan square theta minus 2. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So cot square theta is 1 by tan square theta. It is square form. That's why it will be in square form also. So what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to 1 square plus 1 by 1 square minus 2. Okay. Tan theta whole square means tan theta I have calculated 1 square plus 1 by tan square, 1 by 1 square, tan theta equal to 1 square minus 2. 1 square is 1, 1 by 1 square is 1 square is 1, 1 by 1 is 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So the value of this one is 0. You have 4 options and there will be 0 in one option. Okay. Let's calculate another number, discuss. So number 2. Okay. It is from different side. It is from AP. Remind AP. What is AP? What is Tn? The nth term is Tn. This is a plus n minus 1 into d. I have already go through it. So a is 15. That means first term is 15. Okay. If a is given, then first term is given 15. Okay. If Sn, what is Sn? Nth term, sum of n term, sum of nth term, n terms, sum of n terms is called Sn. Okay. Suppose T20 means 20th term. Okay. Tn is nth term, T20 is 20th term. Okay. So what is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is d here? The common difference. If a sequence is in AP, the common difference between two terms, any two terms, is the d. Okay. So let's go with an example. You know it. Suppose in an AP, the sum of first 15 terms is 750. Sum of first 15 terms is 750, and the first term is 15. Okay, Then find the 20th term. This is the question. Find the 20th term. So basing on this data or basing on this question, you have to write down the given data. The sum of first 15 terms means S15. Sum of first 15 terms. You have to understand that S15 is being asked, or S value of S15 is given as 750. So from these words, you have to write S15 equal to 750. You have to understand this. Otherwise, you can't proceed. Okay? The first term is 15 means A is 15. Find the 20th term means you have to calculate T20. It's 20th term. So let's calculate. Okay. So Sn S15 is equal to 750. This is given. So I am writing Sn formula with 15 as n value. So Sn term is n by 2. So n is given 15, 15 by 2, n by 2. That means n is 15, 15 by 2 into 2a, 2 into a is given 15, 2a. Okay. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am writing here as 15 is given means n is 15. So 15 by 2 in 2 into a is given 15. I am writing 2 into 15. Okay. Plus n minus 1, n is given 15 minus 1 into d. Into d equal to 750. Okay. The value of d is not given, so I am writing d here as d. Okay. So 15 by 2 into 2 into 15, 30 plus 15 minus 1, 14d equal to 750. Okay. So if this is multiplied to this, if I take 15 by 2 from LHS to RHS, it will be reversed. So 13 plus 14d, 30 plus 14d, I am taking this one to RHS, 750 into how much? 2 by 50. Here it is in divided, it will be multiplied, so multiplied denominator. It is multiplied here, it will be divided here, that's why it is in denominator. Or a fraction will be just reverse its order, it becomes reciprocal of its when changing its side. You have to remember it. So let's proceed to the next step. 15 can be simplified. 15 can be divided by this 15, 5 ja 75, again 0, 15 0 ja 0. So you can divide separately also in your half to get 50 here, 52 ja 100. Okay, you can divide first by 5 also, then by 3 also, and you will get this value 50 and multiplied by 2, it will be 100. Okay, so 14d, I have to calculate d here. 14d is how much? This 30 will be taken here. So 30 will change its sign and becomes minus 30. So this becomes 70. Okay. Now what is the value of d? D is 14 is multiplied here. It will be divided in the other side. So it will be divided. 14 5 ja 70. So value of d is 5. Now let's calculate T20. Okay. Now I can get any value because I have got the value A as 15 and D as 5. A is given in the question as 15 and I have got the D value 5. So I can calculate anything now by having A and E value. So I have to calculate T20. That means A plus 19D. You know that how 19D is here? Because A plus n minus 1 into D, n is 20, 20 minus 1 into D, 20 minus 1, 19, 19D. A is 15 plus 19 into D, 19 into 5, because D is 5. 15 plus 19, 5 ja. You can say 95. 95 plus 15, 110. This is the answer. Okay? Let's proceed to another one. It is from geometry chapter. We have already come across your tangent. Okay. So it is a tangent. If there is a tangent here at point, suppose P, this is the tangent T. Is if there is a chord, this is the center, and this is a chord PQ, and it makes an angle theta here, QPT. That's QPT is theta. So this angle is same to the angle subtended to the circumference by the larger arc. Okay? So by the same chord but in the larger arc towards the circumference, this will be also theta. So know this one. It is an theorem. Okay. So sometimes this is applied to calculate in problem, in some problem like MCQ. Okay, so let's calculate. Could you follow this one? The angle subtended by a chord towards the tangent, if tangent at P, and if PQ is a tangent, chord, then it creates an angle with the tangent as QPT. Okay, this angle is same to the angle PRQ, and this angle is from the same chord but toward the circumference of the opposite side. Okay, towards the larger arc. This is smaller arc and this is the larger arc. Okay, so don't forget this application. Basing on this application, questions are coming. Let's calculate this one. Suppose this is circle having center O, and this is a tangent R having the common point P, and this is a chord PQ making an angle with the tangent 50. This is the question. So you have to find out this POQ. This POQ. Okay. So before solving this problem, you have to know another thing. If this is a circle, okay, and this is a arc, this is an arc AXB, it subtends an angle in the center AOB, and it subtends an angle towards circumference as ADB. Okay, this arc AXB, smaller one, makes an angle with center AOB and makes another angle with circumference ADB. Okay, so if ADB is theta, then AOB is 2 times of theta. This is another theorem. Okay. So if ADB is theta, the AOB center angle is just double of it. Understood? If I can make another angle, suppose AEB, then this will be also theta and this AOB will be twice of AEB also. And another theorem is there, then if an arc make two separate angles towards the center from as this ADB and AEB, both the angle will be same. The value of these two angles will be same. Okay. So now, if this is an angle theta, then from this chord or from this arc PXQ, I am taking a circumference angle here, and this will be 50. The same case is there. Okay. If this is 50, see PXQ, it is a angle towards circumference, and this angle will be towards center. So if this is theta, it is 2 theta. If this is 50, it will be 100. We have just discussed about this application. Okay. So this type of calculation is coming, and you have to find out in this way to get this value 100, and you have to make the options where 100 degree is there. But this is the end of this video. We'll discuss another more problems in our next video. Thank you.